A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the Lebara app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Lebara app. Launch the Lebara app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or account section in the main menu. This is where you can find all billing related information. Step 4. View your bill. In the billing section, you should see your current bill details, including any outstanding amounts and due dates. Tap on it for more information. Step 5. Check payment options. If you need to pay your bill, look for payment options available in the app. You can usually pay directly through the app using various methods. Sometimes, the app may not show the latest bill if there is a delay in updates. If that happens, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. I hope this helps you easily check your bill on the Lebara app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.